Guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a very easy keto electrolyte drink. Now people who are following a ketogenic diet should focus on increasing their consumption of sodium, potassium and magnesium to prevent themselves from unpleasant symptoms like headache, muscle cramp and fatigue, which is also known as keto flu. So let's get started. So in a jar I'm taking a Himalayan pink salt. Make sure that you take a pink salt because it has its vital minerals in it. And then I'm taking a half a lemon and squeezing that lemon into the jar. Then I'm gonna add water into it. You can use hot or a cold water. Here I am using lukewarm water. And then give it a good mix. And that's it. Here you go. Your keto electrolyte drink is ready. Sip this drink early in the morning while you are on a ketogenic diet to save yourself from keto flu. Thank you so much for watching.